you a student with low budget and high expectation for studying in the USA but worried about high tuition fees? Don't worry. Today I will tell you about 5 incredible USA universities that offer high return on investment and affordable tuition fees, making your American education both achievable and rewarding. Let's dive in. First, Arkansas State University. It is a great option for students seeking quality education without breaking the bank. For undergraduates, tuition fees ranges from approximately 14 lakh to 16 lakh per year, while postgraduate program costs between approximately 8 lakh to 15 lakh annually. With a welcoming acceptance rate of 70%, popular programs including nursing, psychology, business administration, and more. Here, graduates can expect median salary of approx 40 to 50 lakh per year, ensuring a strong return on their investment. Next, California State University. It offers diverse academic program and excellent value. Here, the tuition fees for undergraduates are around 15 to 16 lakh per year, while postgraduate program range from 12 to 21 lakh per year. Along with this, it has an impressive 92% acceptance rate. Popular majors like business, marketing, social science, and health professionals set graduates up for success. Now, salary. CSU alumni earn median salaries of approximately 50 to 55 lakh annually, which reflect the success rate of the university. Third, Brigham Young University. This university stands out for its remarkably low tuition fees. Here, undergraduates pay approximately 5 to 6 lakh per year, while postgraduates programs range from approximately 11 to 25 lakhs per year. With a 69% acceptance rate, here admission is competitive but attainable. BYU excels in fields like business, management, biological science, marketing, and engineering, equipping students for high-paying careers. Graduates earn median salaries of approx 35 to 55 lakh per year, offering an excellent ROI for such low cost. Fourth, St. Leo University. It is a hidden gem for those seeking in-demand fields like computer science, cybersecurity, accounting, and business administration, aligned with today's tech-driven job market. Here, undergraduates' tuition fees ranges from approximately 12 lakh to 15 lakh per year, and postgraduate program cost approximately 10 to 12 lakh per year. With 80% of acceptance rate, it is a great option for many applicants. Here, graduates earn median salaries of approx 40 to 50 lakh annually, ensuring a solid return. Lastly, the University of Texas at Austin. It combines prestige with value, especially for postgraduate students, while undergraduates' tuition fees is high, ranging from approximately 45 to 54 lakhs per year. Postgraduate programs are more affordable at approximately 20 to 23 lakh per year. Here, the acceptance rate of 29% shows that the competition is high. Popular majors like engineering, management, marketing, communication, and journalism open doors to top-tier careers. Here, graduates can earn median salary of approx 30 to 40 lakh per year, backing by UT Austin's global reputation. These 5 universities prove you can study in the USA without sacrificing quality or your budget, offering affordable tuition fees and high ROI for international students. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and follow for more study abroad tips. Let us know in the comment which university you are considering. See you in the next video.